How to study competence-based topics. Interactive guide for learners. Hello, learners. Today we're going to explore how to study competence-based topics so that you don't just memorize information, you actually learn skills you can use in real life. Ready? Let's get started. Number 1. Know the goal. Before we dive in, think about this. What should you be able to do after learning this topic? Competence-based learning focuses on skills, not just facts. Example, in science, it's not enough to memorize photosynthesis. Can you explain it in your own words or demonstrate it? In ICT, can you create a spreadsheet and solve a real problem, not just describe it? Reflection. What skill do you want to master today? Number 2. Break topics into competencies. Have you looked at your syllabus? What are the key skills for this topic? Example, topic, electric circuits. Draw a simple circuit diagram, connect a battery, bulb, and wires. Explain what happens if you break the circuit. Tip, focus on one competency at a time. It's easier to practice and master. Number 3, learn by doing. Who learns best by doing rather than just reading? Hands up. Competence-based learning requires doing, not just reading. Try the following practical ways to learn. Practical exercises, experiments, build a small experiment at home, write simple programs in ICT or computer science, practice drawing diagrams, create models, problem solving, work on concepts that apply concepts, not just recall facts. Practice calculating discounts on items in a shop or school fees. Role play, act as a nurse, shopkeeper, or scientist to practice skills. Can anyone think of another way to practice this skill in real life? Let me know in the comment section. Number 4, connect learning to real life. Relate new knowledge to real-life situations. Ask, how would I use this skill outside school? Examples, ratios in maths to cooking or painting, customer service skills to selling items at school or online, report writing to clubs, projects, or future jobs. What is one skill you're learning now that could help you outside school? Number 5, use multiple resources. Who watches videos or uses apps to learn? Did it help? Try different resources, animations or videos that show experiments, online quizzes or interactive apps, teaching a friend what you learned. Seeing a skill in action helps you understand how to apply it. Number 6, practice continuous assessment. Competence-based learning often includes ongoing assessments. How do you check if you really know something? Self-check your skills. Can I explain it to someone else? Can I do it without looking at notes? Can I apply it in a new situation? Use many quizzes, exercises, or small projects to test yourself regularly. Number 7, reflect and improve. After practicing, ask yourself, what did I do well? Which skills need more practice? Which parts were difficult? How can I improve next time? Keep a journal to track your progress. It's amazing to see your skills grow over time. Number 8, manage study time. Focus on one skill at a time. Study in short sessions, 25 to 40 minutes, with breaks. Review regularly to reinforce what you've learned. Who finds it hard to focus for long periods? Short sessions can help. Key takeaways. Competence-based learning equals doing plus practicing plus applying. Ask yourself, how can I show I really know this? How can I use it outside the classroom? Practice, reflect, and use multiple resources to master every skill.